Today is day 3 of our trip in Italy, and yeah, we are part of the PayPal audience, and yeah, it's an invitation, so I'm really excited. Actually, it's already 6:40 a.m. and ang start pa talaga ng paglabas ng Pope is mga 9 pa. Pero, of course, gusto namin nasa unahan kami para talagang kitang-kita namin at, you know, if sana ma-interact namin si Pope. So, yeah, I'm just really excited, and there's more locations na pupuntahan namin, mga tourist spots. So, I'm just really excited. So, this is my look. Yellow dress and a cardigan. Always bring a cardigan or pang-ansa if you're wearing sleeveless. So, okay na naman mag-sleeveless, pero dapat, if, of course, papasok ka nga sa mga religious places, you need to cover up. So, yeah. To respect. So, anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye! Guys, nakapila na kami. Akala ko guys, hindi kami makakapasok. Kasi ang small group lang kami. Pero, yeah, we're here! Hey guys, so we're here na. We all have our seats na, and actually we've been waiting for like more than an hour kanina pa. So yeah, suggest ko lang magdala kayo ng hat kasi ang init. Pero I think kaya pa naman, and in a few minutes lalabas na si Pope. I'm excited. So dito siya lalabas. And ito, dito din siya dadaan. So, diba? Diba? Mami, ayun na oh! Mami, ayun na oh! Wait ah! Oh my gosh! Nandun na sila, nandun na sila.
Os alimentos são para o ventre e o ventre para os... Palavra do Senhor.
Buongiorno. Non si sente. Illecito di droga, istituita dall'Assemblea Generale delle Nazioni Unite nel 1987.
Okay guys, so after the PayPal dun sa kay Pope Francis, we are here. We are here nasa Colosseum, or I don't know kung anong tawag dito, pero I will just search the location, and yeah, we're here. And we're just gonna take pictures, and then after that, I think we're gonna eat na.
Sali in charge.
we're here at some souvenir shop kung saan yung meet up namin para sa ano nga? Tour?
Yeah.
Sa tour ng Sistine, hindi lang Sistine Chapel.
And everything. And everyone. And
Ng Vatican. I mean, basta may itutour kami and then, yeah, so I'm so excited to see all the paintings, all the history. Kaya gusto ko itong puntahan kasi kakatapos ko ng pag-aralan yung topics na yun sa MAPE. So, I'm so excited. Lahat ng mga lesson ko sa MAPE ay makikita ko din sa in real life. So, I'm so excited. So, yeah, actually, kakatapos lang din namin mag-lunch. So, dito kami dumiretso. And, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So, bye-bye. Nahihiyan ako naman na nakatingin. On the way to the museum, guys. Wait lang. Grabe naman ang lakarin. Nakakahinga. Okay guys, so we're papunta na kami sa museum. Doon nagsistart yung tour. And yeah, nakakahingal din pala to. Like, ang bilis nila maglakad. Pero yeah, that's how tour works. So, we're here na sa Basilica Church. St. Peter. And, ay, sayang, ginagawa. Pero ang ganda. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Whew. So guys, sayang din namin makikita itong Pieta kasi daw may renewal para sa GTV. So, sayang. Another round. Nag-iikot ulit kami. going down sa mga tomb ng Pope.
Ano?
Nakakatakot siya.
Natatakot na ako. Kasama na nila natin sila mamaya pag ikaw wala tama.
Diba? Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Ala? No way. No way. Oh my gosh. Nakakatakot. I'm scared. Hey guys, so nakalabas na namin dito and we're going to our next location and it's currently 5:30 p.m. and not so much pero malayo-layo kasi yung Colosseum. That's our next location. I think I'm gonna put you guys there. Hey guys, so we're here nasa Colosseum. Hey guys, we're here already sa Three Coins and a fountain. Oh my god, people! And so beautiful and actually mabilis lang kasi ang daming tao. I don't know what to say but I'm gonna talk to you guys later kasi magdi-dinner na kami. So, yeah. Hey guys, so I don't know what time it is, but I think it's almost 9 p.m. currently. We are going for Italian dinner, so I'm so excited kasi I wanted to really taste authentic Italian food. So our last night here in Italy. busog, busog happy. And yeah, ayusin na namin gano'n kasi tomorrow is the last day. And nahingal ako dun. Tomorrow is the last day. And mag-iimbaka na kami. So, happy guys tomorrow. Hi! So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you guys on my next vlog kasi there's still more trips to go and I'm so excited sa next trip. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video and I'm gonna see you guys